This is a 2023 3LZ Z07 70th Anniversary Edition Convertible. Hello everybody, once again I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas. We have another beautiful carbon flash C8 Z06 to talk about today. This is a 2023 3LZ Z07 70th Anniversary Edition Convertible. And since it is a convertible, you guys can see the windows are tinted, the top is beautiful, and it's got the satin black racing stripes that go all the way through. Let's go ahead and do our Transformers thing. Always love that. Okay, so once again, this is a 70th Anniversary Special Edition. So, of course, they only came in two colors, white pearl and carbon flash metallic. So, as you can see, we got the carbon flash metallic, and we also have the optional satin black 70th Anniversary racing stripes. And we have the full visible carbon fiber aero kit. And, of course, this being a Z07 track package, we have the dive planes, as you can see. And I must note, the majority of the front of this Z06 has been PPF'd. So there is PPF throughout in pretty much almost all the entire front. I think, yep, it is even on the front here. Yep, so the whole front has been PPF'd. And they what was pretty cool about it, they did it around, and I think they did a separate piece. Yeah, they did a separate piece over the satin. All right, to the wheels. Now, this being a track package, obviously people were like, well, where are the Sport Cup 2Rs? Well, they've obviously been changed out. We now have the Pilot Sport 4S here. So this would be the non-Z07 standard tire. And, of course, we have the graphite with red stripe, also standard with the 70th one with the 70th Anniversary Edition center cap. And the beautiful edge red calipers. And, of course, these are the massive J57 Brembos with the carbon ceramic brakes. As we make our way around more, all 70th Anniversary Special Editions come standard with the big badge here that you see here, 1953 to 2023 70th. We also have the visible carbon fiber side skirt there. And since it is a carbon flash car, I guess you could technically say it has the body color exterior accents, but the carbon flash being standard, it all goes together. But this one does have a set of these beautiful edge red Z06 badges installed. Now, I checked this out, so the original build info had them as carbon flash, so obviously they ordered the OEMs and replaced them. So this is a factory option, but they were added and replaced the carbon flash standard, probably to break it up since so much is carbon flash. Now, coming to the rear, we have, of course, the beautiful visible carbon fiber high wing spoiler, standard with the Z07 track package, and holy smokes, is that amazing looking on this car. Then you couple it with the edge red Corvette scroll here, the black NPP multi-mode exhaust tips, and of course, if you come up here to the rear trunk area here, you see those satin black stripes do flow through the back here, and we have the full 70th Anniversary cross flags. All right, onto the trunk. So again, like all C8 convertible trunks, not impeded by the top at all. And this being a Z07 package, it of course came standard with the foamies. These are necessary to put over the brake rotors when you're taking the wheels on or off for any service needs, and some of the aero pieces as well. Onto the interior. So of course, 70th Anniversary editions come with a very unique interior exclusive to this. You got the full suede door with the adrenaline red stitching. We have the standard 14 speaker Bose premium sound. We have the carbon fiber interior package, which is otherwise known as the level 1 interior package. And of course, we have the beautiful suede throughout the entire dash portion there. And we have the front lift with memory. And as you can see, the carbon fiber interior package also gives you the carbon fiber there near the mode selector. And we have the suede wrapped carbon fiber steering wheel with the carbon fiber paddle shifters. And as we make our way around, you can see more of the red stitching throughout that microfiber suede. When you get to our center stack there, you'll see the 70th Anniversary badge there. And then, of course, we've got our two-tone GT2 bucket seat. ceramic white black with the adrenaline red stitching and the torch red seat belt. And of course, the floor mats have the standard red stitching as well. We got our standard front space here. Of course, we've got the pouches in place. And for those that don't know, the battery sits underneath here, along with the brake fluid reservoir and the windshield washer fluid reservoir. Then when you close it, bring it to right here. 2 clicks will seal it up. Due to the extensive loadout of this Z06, I wanted you all to see the window sticker here, as you can see all our options. And of course, we had an original MSRP at $160.20. So this 2023 Z06 has 6,100 miles. We got it priced at $139,995. So to reiterate, 70th anniversary edition 3LZ Z07 Z06. That would make this, as far as performance goes, the ultimate 70th anniversary edition. Absolutely fabulous. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And of course, if you're interested in this beautiful Z06 or any other Corvettes in my inventory, see your info up in the corner and down in the description below. Hit that thumbs up button, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And I will see you on the next one.